Hi, I'm Peter from the Natural Stone Bath Factory. I'm here at the Melbourne Home Show and I'd like to take you through our range of products. Here we have a range of stone bathtubs available in many different widths and lengths, various colours to suit all occasions and all products. We do integrated vanities, we do solid rock basins and bathtubs, custom made to suit all rooms, and we deal directly with the public. Down here we have our range of basins, complementing our stone bathtubs in the same colourings. We have different lengths, different widths, different types of materials to suit all bathrooms. We also have a range of vanity basins and baths and teak vanities to suit. Here we have our egg-shaped bathtub available in 4 different sizes and 4 different colours. The same goes for the other bathtubs down here. They're in a range of colours and different sizes to suit all bathrooms. Up here we have various different basins in all manner of shapes and sizes to suit surface mounted vanities. If you have any questions or need to know any more information, come and visit us at the Melbourne Home Show. We'd be happy to help you out.